Starting from this year, 2021, Cardano has been giving major bull momentum on its price trajectory. Because of this, along with other factors on ADA's further positive catalysts, is making Cardano ADA a must-buy. If you are interested in knowing how much ADA you need to have for becoming a millionaire, then make sure to watch the videos till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Crypto Impulse. We are here to make investing in crypto easier and more fun. With us, you will have your money safe and secured. In today's video, we are going to be talking in detail about Cardano and its recent price update and positive catalyst. In the further parts of this video, we will also be discussing the price prediction for this token. So, if you are new to the channel or aren't already a part of our family, then make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notifications to never miss out on any new updates from us. Also, leave a comment below, when do you think Cardano can defeat Ethereum? Before jumping into the video, please note that the crypto market is highly volatile and dynamic. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the token prices would have switched to a whole different range. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. The content is curated for being informative and educational. You are requested to conduct your own diligent research or consult an expert for better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. Cardano ADA, the token which has got all out of the heart in terms of technology, is currently at its monthly lows with respect to its price action. However, after a 3-month update, Cardano is running in green, and the present trade would be a direct outcome of the recent price rise on the token. Cardano has been into serious blockchain updates for ADA. This update would facilitate Cardano's blockchain to become a worthy competitor to Ethereum. Since its inception, Cardano has been known as the Ethereum killer. However, many allege that Cardano is not worthy enough. Because even though the token's blockchain network is highly advanced and is the 3rd-generation token, Cardano did not have the feature to work on smart contracts for which Ethereum has set a benchmark. Therefore, the recent price rally, as you all can see, drove Cardano from trading at $1.05 in July to $3.09, its all-time highs, on 2nd September 2021. Now, that explains the present price consolidation on Cardano, which is also, of course, not a negative thing, but rather is a healthy correction on its price. The price rose to this extent because the Cardano Foundation announced the arrival of the Alonzo update, the work of smart contracts on Cardano. The point here is, Cardano ADA is still one of the major tokens and possibly the only token that can overtake Ethereum. Analysts expect Cardano to grow even more, and the most by the end of this year. Therefore, owning 1,000 ADA will be an excellent investment on Cardano, especially at this time when the token is gathering strength for its next breakout. Now let's talk a bit more about the latest update that rolled out this month, shall we? On 13th September 2021, Input Output Company, or IOHK, tweeted, "Half upgrade successful. Moments ago, we deployed the Alonzo update at the Epoch rollover. Welcome to the start of a new era for Cardano ADA." Well, this is considerably huge. Many Cardano enthusiasts have been waiting for this news to come. However, surprisingly, the news did not make much of an impact on the token's price. The price action continued to drop even after this announcement. The reason that we can speculate the most is that the market already reacted to the rollout. This was too soon for them to take in more ADA. Also, the Twitter post updated half of the whole Alonzo update. While the next one takes a bit more time, we suggest you take in as many ADAs as you can and hold for the next breakout. After the 13th, it was confirmed that the Cardano network now can offer users the ability to run smart contracts and has increased the token's future competitiveness with its largest rival, Ethereum. On the same day of the launch, Tim Harrison, the marketing and communications director of Input Output, said Cardano had deployed Plutus smart contract capabilities, which is the Layer 1 platform that will offer robustness and high assurance. Plutus is designed to minimize the potential for exploits. We also have a word from Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Input Output, who told Market Business Insider in a recent interview with respect to the recent update, that's probably the most significant change in the history of the protocol. With this, the blockchain will start implementing the smart contracts feature and enable a new sweep of decentralized finance applications and programmability. The Alonzo upgrade will allow the network to be used for decentralized exchanges, house non-fungible tokens, and run Oracle programs that draw in external data to trigger smart contracts. It is named after American mathematician Alonzo Church, who is considered one of the founders of computer science. They will now be able to construct it with cost predictability, formal procedures, and all kinds of other things, Hoskinson added. We believe that in the long run, this will result in far more sustainable, safe, and ultimately beneficial apps for consumers. Alexandra Clark, the sales trader at digital asset broker GlobalBrock, said, "The Cardano smart contract upgrade was an epochal moment for the ecosystem, but its success depends upon adoption by developers and the number of dApps integrated into the Cardano network." Well, it is true that Cardano promises a lot. However, when it comes to keeping its promises, the team becomes a bit slower. We are not blockchain experts, but we know that the team is working hard to make Cardano ADA the most efficient one. One of its achievements was recorded when the token became the third largest token in the world, surpassing the Binance coin. It was a major victory. Anybody who had invested $1,000 before the price rally has doubled their initial investment. The victory does not end here. The fact that Cardano is one of the few highly valued cryptocurrencies with sustainable features works in its favor. This is particularly pertinent at a time when concerns about the long-term viability of cryptocurrency have resulted in a drop in the value of major players like Bitcoin. Bitcoin even lost favor with former admirer and SpaceX founder Elon Musk, who ditched it in favor of Dogecoin, citing a lack of sustainability as a reason. Also, Cardano isn't a short-term investment. Because of its blockchain protocol, ADA is a long-term investment. Cardano, unlike Bitcoin, does not use supercomputers to create new ADA units or execute transactions. Cardano is based on a technique known as proof of stake. To validate a transaction, miners are needed to place their cryptocurrency as a stake. As a result, Cardano's energy consumption is a tiny fraction of that of the Bitcoin network. Coming to some news, we have Emergo just announced that it would invest over $100 million in Cardano. On 27 September, the official commercial arm of Cardano blockchain, Emergo, announced the launch of a new Cardano ecosystem investment vehicle to invest into the early startup and growth stage companies focused on building socially impactful solutions powered by Cardano. This new Cardano investment vehicle will be made up of two independent firms, Emergo Africa and Emergo Ventures, both of which will have their own investment thesis and will be wholly owned subsidiaries of the parent company Emergo Private Limited. Apart from this, 27 September came out to be extremely positive for Cardano. The company announced a partnership with Oracle solutions provider Chainlink to accelerate the development of its DeFi ecosystem. This news was released at the Cardano Summit, which was yet another successful event for the token community. The Cardano Summit, dubbed the biggest online blockchain event ever, took place on September 25 to 26, 2021. The two-day conference featured presentations, reports, future visions, and panel discussions. Among the various events, there were statements about new alliances that are believed to be crucial to the Cardano ADA ecosystem's future development. One of these was a collaboration with Dish Network, a telecommunications operator. Given these factors, Cardano price rally in the coming months is bound to happen, and for that reason, an investment of at least 1,000 ADA is important for you to become a millionaire. Likely, you need to hold on to your 1,000 ADA investment, and after 5 years, you are surely becoming the next millionaire. On ADA's price, we believe the token is likely to trade sideways for some time before its breakout for another price rise. The immediate crucial resistance is at $2.04 and $2.50 respectively, post which a strong bull is likely to take the price above the $3 mark. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification to never miss out on any new update from us. Also, leave us a comment on when will Cardano make you a millionaire, and we will see you all at our next one.